The tri-level here, and you could see traffic really going. Lots of folks out on the road and a pretty sunrise happening for us this morning in Fargo. But head into an open area or get out of town a little bit and you're going to be running into some conditions that are not so nice. This is our view from the DOT in the Donaldson area, northwestern Minnesota. You can see visibility is on the low end, and then we've got some snow streaking across the road surface there too along Highway 11. And this is something you may be encountering this morning as we go through the day today. Certainly this morning, and then again perhaps this afternoon with 2 rounds of wind affecting us. So it's going to be tough out there. It's easy does it. Take your time getting to where you need to be. We're looking at visibility reports coming in pretty low in some places. Up in that Donaldson area south of Hallock, you can see Hallock is reporting a half-mile visibility there. And then down in Gwinner, so it's also in the Southern Valley. We've got a quarter-mile visibility in that area. The wind has increased most in our western and northern viewing area. So if you're off to the east, the trees help us out here too, but your visibility is still looking pretty good right now. We will see that wind pick up for you as the morning goes along, and in some cases it already has. Here's a look at a bunch of wind speeds that we're getting in here this morning. Thief River Falls, a gust to 43 miles per hour rather, a 38-mile-per-hour gust in Foston. We've got a steady speed of 22 in Grand Forks, so that's just continuing to drive the snow across the road, and it's out of the south, so Highway 2 getting that crosswind. And then in Devil's Lake, we're at 31, a gust to 37 in Carrington. So gusts in the 30s to some 40s here this morning. Southern Valley, similar situation. Fargo, it's kind of hard to see behind Moorhead's report, but we got a 30-mile-per-hour gust right now. And again, not as intense in the Lakes Country area, but that will be changing. We'll see those winds pick up for you too. And down in Gwinner, that gust to 44. So Northern Valley and Southern Valley experiencing some issues. And with temperatures still as cold as they are, we're looking at wind chills down into the 30s below still. Fargo, it feels like 30 below. So make sure you're ready for this. Make sure you're dressed appropriately for those wind chills, even as temperatures are rising. And you can see the difference that makes out west. Let's take a look at the temperatures there. It's 16 above in Devil's Lake. So the warm air has already taken over in the western part of our viewing area. Working on it. Our temperatures have been climbing in the east. We're just not quite there yet. As we make our way through the morning, we'll see that continue to climb above zero. It's all because of this system. We've got this low that's swirling up north of us into Canada. It's creating this warm front, that warmer air moving in behind it, and we're seeing that spread eastward. And that's where we've got the first round of wind. And then here's the cold front. You can see some snow associated with it too. That's going to be rotating around that low, and so it's going to be dropping in as we head into the afternoon and evening, even as this system moves east. So here's a look at what to expect. So this morning we've got strong winds, gusts 30 plus to even 40 plus miles per hour, blowing and drifting snow, issues with travel this morning. During the midday hour, we'll kind of get into the warm sector of this system. So you're looking at temperatures rising, wind chills looking so much better this afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. Notice our temperatures, we're into the 20s and 30s. But of course, you may be seeing that snow. That's the cold front and some scattered light snow showers dropping south and east along the front as that moves through into the evening hours tonight. So this could have some impacts on your evening commute too. Eventually that wind turns northwesterly. You could see some of these snow streamers, some blowing snow going on in the wake of this system. More gusts above 30 miles per hour at times until we start to clear things out tomorrow morning. But it's going to be a tough 24 hours. We're looking at gusts into the 40s this morning. Midday, a slight step back, but still windy. And then into the afternoon, back up to about 40 miles per hour with that wind turning northwesterly. After this clears, a little cold Thursday and heading into Friday morning, but we start to recover just in time for the weekend. Until then, though, make sure you're taking today seriously yet again. First Alert Weather Day.
Yeah, just get through today and then hopefully a little bit,
yeah, it really does
coasting.
improve.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to it. Lisa, thank you so much.